Good morning. It's 4:12 a.m. here on the East Coast, and as I arrived home from work early so I could go to bed, well, that didn't end up happening. I found a box of 2012 Showcase Racing in my front door. So we're going to go ahead and bust it open this morning. Today's the first day of the National Convention, but Press Fest isn't able to be there because they are moving this week and last week. So they had to miss out, but the collectors will not. Showcase is here, as some have seen with a couple of sellers being on yesterday. Again, it's 2012 Showcase, and it's checklist. 1 pack, 2 packs, 3 packs, and they cost more than $1. This weekend, had some great racing. Dale Jr. moved to the points lead. He's going to have to win in a chase in order to win the cup. And Almedinger's still on his road to recovery. We're going to go with pack 1. It's a white bag scrounge. I know I just dropped that. Not sure what that green dot is. It's a light of something. I know what it is. Carl Edwards. Steven, also known as Race Crazy, got to go to the Indianapolis race, and it wasn't the experience he wished it was, but he did have a great time at the track, meeting drivers and etc. Here's a Danica clear card. Transparent's always popular. Here's our first sheet metal, also Carl Edwards. The Fastenal card. Showcase is their highest dollar product of the year. Followed up this year should be Legends, I believe. Some of the preliminary schedule. Bobby Allison. They've added more Legends to Showcase this year, which I like. I know some of y'all don't, but another Danica, who also causes controversy, but she sells and she's what people are talking about, so she needs to be in the product. Not only do we have a Kyle Busch card, transparent, but it's a transparent, I don't know if I can get it close enough to see. It's a door number, 18 of 125, that's a good one. And here's a Dale Jr. dual color sheet metal. Number 42 out of 50. Last pack. Only thing about this, the high dollar stuff, you don't get the hits, you don't get to open as many packs. Richard Petty. As y'all may have seen, Press Fest gave Richard a frame set of the birthday tribute cards. Tony Stewart. Sorry about the delay. Trying to look at that. Richard Petty. Clear. Not holding on to that well. Clear of Jeff Gordon. And speaking of the birthday tribute cards, here's a hit. Happy birthday, Richard. Kel Yarbrough, number 7 of 10. Don't know what we're going to do about this one yet, so we're going to have at least 2 winners. We'll let you know about this one. That sweet card, it's only numbered to 10. 7 of 10, which I guess you could always look at as Petty's Championships. It's clear. It's really nice looking. I guess the one thing to make it a bit better is David Pearson and I got to pull it. Although that make it harder because I wouldn't be able to keep it. Alright then, that was Showcase 2012. I think that was a great box. As always, we'll be doing a review, and when the review is done, you'll be able to post your reviews, and at least 2 winners out of this box. Well, there'll be 3 winners, but 2 will win within a week or so, and the other one we'll have to have a discussion about. And from my friend Al, says Press Pass is out of this world. Thank you. And if you're just joining us, we're at www.NASCARcardnuts.com. NASCARcardnuts.com.